Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Razer Blade Pro. Now this is a 17-inch gaming laptop. You can pick this up on Amazon. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one, $2,900. Now on a side note, if you want the version that has a 4K touchscreen display, that one's going to run you $3,700. All right, so let's go through all of the specs. Now this one has a full aluminum body. You got a high performance vapor chamber cooling system. You get a 17.3-inch full HD display with a resolution of 1920 by 1080. Now you also get a 240 Hz refresh rate. Now it's powered by the 9th generation Intel Core i7, that's the 9750H processor, which features 6 cores clocked in at 2.6 GHz with turbo boost up to 4.5 GHz. Now you got the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2080 Max-Q graphics card. You get 16 gigs of DDR4 memory, which is upgradable to 64 gigs. And you got 512 gigs of storage, which is also upgradable to 2 terabytes. Now you got stereo speakers. You get all your ports. So you got a Thunderbolt 3, USB-A, USB-C. You got an Ethernet, HDMI, a full SD card slot, and a headphone jack. And of course, since this is a Razer product, you got the RGB keyboard powered by Razer Chroma. All right, so all of that for $2,900. Let's see what it is. First things first, shout out to White Shoes. She got the day off. All right, here we go. Razer Blade Pro. Let's unbox it, see what it is. Okay. Inside, welcome to the culture of Razer. Okay, let's see what this is. Right, no unboxing knife necessary. Okay, so this is gonna be your power plug. Open this up, beautiful presentation. Okay, now look at this power cable. Braided, all right, nice and thick, tangle-free status. I like that. With a little rubber strap and your Razer branding. Beautiful. See what else is in here? Okay. Now this is gonna be the rest of your power cable. Okay, nice and thick. Giggity. Okay, let's keep it moving. Inside. Okay. All right, my bad. This is so big, I just knocked my camera over. Okay, so this is gonna be the bottom of the box. That beautiful green Razer color. Razer logo on the front. Open this up. Pads on the inside. Here we go. Now this is gonna be your laptop. Plastic off. Definitely a nice weight on this one. Okay. Let's see what else you get. Waiting. Of course, you got your usual books and shit. Plug them and file them. Let's see if we got the Razer stickers. There it is. All right, so you got your Razer Chroma stickers. Little getting started guide. Microfiber cleaning cloth. And that's pretty much it. Now for the laptop itself, let me do the smell test on this one. This one smells like gaming. All right, on the front, you got your Razer logo. All right, so I wanted to wipe this down so y'all could get the full effect. Check this out. Beautiful. All brushed aluminum. Got your Razer logo on the top. Let's go through all of the ports. This is where you're going to plug it in. You got your Ethernet, 2 USB-As, USB Type-C, and a headphone jack. On the other side, you got a full-size SD card slot. You got another USB Type-C, USB-A, HDMI, and your Kensington. All right, so now let's do the one-hand test and see how easy this is to open up. Just like that. Woo! Look at that. Dual speakers right here. Beautiful keyboard. Let me do that one more time. Now look for liftage. Let's see if we got any liftage. No liftage. All right, no liftage off the table. Opens up with one thumb, just like that. All right, so I'm gonna plug this in and we'll go through the OS. Talk amongst yourselves. All right, y'all, so we back in. Now I've been using this laptop for a couple of hours and I gotta be honest with y'all, I already love it. I actually like this better than my MacBook Pro and better than my HP Omen. And let me tell you why. Now remember I told y'all for 2020, I was gonna start using the MacBook as my daily laptop, but I can't do it. Even though I love the fact that the MacBook is thin and light, I love the touch bar, and the MacBook has the best speakers on the market. I can't use it as my daily laptop because it doesn't have the connections. If you look on one side, you only got USB Type-C. On the other side, USB Type-C. That's it. No Ethernet, no HDMI, no USB-A, no SD card slot. I hate having to carry around all that extra stuff, and if you're sitting on the flight trying to do some work, you got all that stuff hanging off the sides. I'm not feeling that at all. Now, as far as the HP Omen, I love that one too, but it's twice as big and twice as heavy. It can't fit into my book bag, and whenever I travel, I got to put it into my carry-on luggage. I don't like that. With the Razer Blade Pro, this is the perfect size, the perfect weight, and it has all of the ports. If you notice, I got my SD card slapped in already, got a wireless mouse, HDMI, multiple USB ports on the other side, and you got your Ethernet, USB Type-C, and a headphone jack. Perfect. All right, so let's break this down. First things first, shout out to White Shoes, back in the building.
I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes.
White shoes,
White shoes.
calm down. Build quality. Now, if you're looking for the thinnest and lightest laptop on the market, this ain't it. All right, this is full body aluminum. It's big, it's heavy, but in a good way. It's gonna give you that premium feel. All right, I love a nice premium feeling product, and this one is it right here. You got your light up Razer logo on the front. That's pretty sick. You can easily open this up with one hand, no liftage off the table. Now let's do the boot up test real quick. All right, now you see, it's completely off. Let's hit the power button and see how long it takes to completely boot up. 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, 4 1,000, 5 1,000, 6 1,000, 7 1,000. All right, 7 seconds from completely off to completely powered up. That's pretty sick. Now let's take a look at the Razer keyboard. All right, so I just dimmed the lights and I opened up the Razer Chroma app. So let me show you some of the different keyboard effects. Let's start off with breathing. So basically, it's just gonna breathe the color. Now you can set it to multiple colors. I got it set to red and green. So first it's gonna breathe red, then it's gonna go off and breathe green. And it'll just stay like this going back and forth. Let's try fire. Now this is actually my favorite one. It looks like there's a fire underneath the keys. That's pretty sick. Let's try reactive. Now basically what reactive is, all the keys will be off, and when you touch a key, it'll light up. That's pretty sick. Let's try our ripple. Okay, so all the keys are off. Once you touch one, you get that ripple effect. That's dope. Let's try spectrum cycling. Now basically it's just going to cycle through all of the colors. So right now it's on purple, switching over to red. It'll go to green, yellow, white, blue. It's a nice simple effect. Let's hit starlight. Now starlight is kind of like that matrix look. All right, I'm feeling that, and you can add more colors if you want. Let's do static. Now static is for if you want one color. So say I just want my keyboard to stay on, let's put it on red. Just want it to stay red all day, it'll stay on red. Say I want it to stay blue, switch it over to blue. Let's hit the wave. All right, so now you got a color wave. You can also change the direction of the wave. And you got the wheel. Same thing, you could change the direction. Hashtag RGB life. All right, now as far as the keyboard, no problems with the switches. You can type soft or loud if you want. Nice key travel. You got a big trackpad, very responsive with your right and left click buttons. All right, so now let's check the web browsing speeds. I'll open up the internet. Let's take it over to a random website. And there it is. Now I'm going to pull up a video so y'all can see the display and listen to the speakers. All right, so I got my usual test video queued up. take a look at this display and listen to these speakers. Nice and loud, but I love this 17-inch display. All right, so I just pulled up Amazon Prime. This is what it's going to look like when you're watching a movie. All right, I got War of the Worlds on deck. Here we go. I love this movie. All right, let's keep it moving. All right, so now let's check productivity. Say you're buying this laptop for gaming, but you also want to edit your videos. Can this laptop run full editing software? And the answer is yes. All right, so I got Sony Vegas Pro 17. Let's open this one up. Now, this is actually the editing software that I use. And there it is. Let me pull up a file. Let's go to my SD card that's already in here. Let's get a video. Drag and drop. And there it is. Let's hit play.
Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with a
And there it
video.
is.
And today we're going to take a look at the Sony SRS WS1.
This is sick. So now you can do your video work and your gaming on the road. And speaking of gaming, let's pull up a game. All right, so I just loaded up Street Fighter V using Steam. I plugged in my wireless controller. Let's get it on. Now, on the side note, I know somebody's going to say, what about Call of Duty? What about Fortnite? Me, personally, I don't play those kind of games. I only play fighting games. So this is what we got. Let's get into it. All right, here we go. Let's get it on.
Go beyond the battle.
Now, I'm a little bit rusty in this game, so y'all got to bear with me. Let me get them Birdman hands rubbing together. All right, here we go. Get ready to catch this L. All right, let's get it on.
Fight.
Woo! Nice try, buddy. Okay, I take a perfect. I know what y'all saying. You know the computers are easy. I know. I know.
Round two.
Come on, let me get one more. Oh. Okay, there it is. Woo! All right, I'll give y'all one more. One more for the road.
You win.
Just in case y'all thought it was luck. But everything is running nice and smooth. That big, beautiful display. I love this. Ain't nothing like playing your favorite video game in a hotel room in the bed, on the road. This is a go.
Round one.
All right, here we go.
Fight.
Woo! Ah! Okay, okay. I still got it though. I still got it. Y'all seen that parry at the beginning? Let's go.
Good. Round two.
All right, let me get focused. Let me get focused.
Fight.
Ah! Ah! Now here we go. I close it out like a boss. I'll throw. I'll get a throw. I'll get a throw. Ah! Okay, sweeps. I'll take the sweeps. All right, so one more thing I wanted to mention. Now, as far as the vapor chamber cooling system, it definitely works. I've been using this laptop for a couple of hours straight, and it hasn't heated up yet. But I will say this. You will hear the fans. You're definitely going to hear them. But the laptop stayed nice and cool. Let's wrap this up. All right, so overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm giving the Razer Blade Pro a major go. Like I said, this is my new favorite laptop. The build quality is excellent. The display is beautiful. The speakers are nice and loud. You got a 4-hour battery life. That's pretty good. It's super fast. You got plenty of storage, plenty of RAM, all your ports for connectivity, and you got that RGB keyboard. This is perfect for gaming, perfect for working, perfect for everything. Anyway, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this one. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on VoxUp. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock won the beam up.
Affirmative, Captain. Enterprise out.
Energize.